we're talking about cleaning. What needs to be cleaned? Well, everything. Everything that children use, sneeze on, touch, it all needs to be cleaned. We do have mouth toy bins in every single classroom, and those are bins where we kind of quarantine the really dirty stuff. So if a child has a toy in their mouth, you're going to take that toy and put it in the mouth toy bin. If they've sneezed on it or snotted on it, you're going to take that and put it in the mouth toy bin. Maybe they shove it down their diaper, who knows, but you're going to put those in the mouth toy bin, and they stay separate from all of our other toys until they've been washed. But don't forget, all of our large equipment needs to be washed too. I think we often forget our kitchen sets, the balls that we play with for gross motor and stuff like that. So how to clean toys is pretty straightforward. You can wash them in your classroom. You're going to fill up a bucket or a bin, a toy bin that you're maybe washing those toys anyway. So you fill it up with sudsy water and then go ahead and scrub them. You can just use paper towel, or if you have like a clean designated toothbrush or something, you can also use that. But please, no sponges. Sponges hold too many germs, so we can't have them in our classrooms. The second step is just to rinse it like normal. You can rinse it in your sink, or you can also just fill up a second bin with just clear water and dunk them in there. Then lastly, you're going to lay them out on an old towel or those crib sheets that maybe no longer can be used in the crib room. Go ahead and use a Sharpie and write right on them, bleach blanket. Spread those out on your countertops or on your tables, and then you're going to spray the toys. As you spread them out, you're going to spray them with sanitizer, flip them all over, and spray the other side, because as you can imagine, we don't want to clean just one side of the toys. Now, just a reminder, when you're talking about food service stuff like our water pitchers or some of our sites that actually have trays and like plastic cups that children use for lunch, we are not washing those in the classroom. All of our plastic cups, all of that kind of stuff has to be done in a 3-basin sink in our kitchen. So this is just for toys because they obviously don't have the same needs as those other items. Now, the sanitizer can just air dry all night, and then the morning crew can put the toys away when they come in. When it comes to the soft, squishy stuff, go ahead and throw them in the laundry machine. Check out your schedule. You should have kind of a laundry schedule and see when you have a turn to do laundry. Throw in your blankets, your pillows, everything. And even those toys that are a little bit quasi-hybrid, half plastic, half soft, like baby dolls and stuff like that. If you throw them in a mesh bag that has the zipper on the top, throw them in the washing machine. That works really good too. Then you can pull them out, lay them out on the sheets and spray them with the sanitizer. But all the other squishy stuff, you're going to wash and dry on the highest heat because we're going to rely on the machines to sanitize them versus the spray. There's a ton of different systems that you can use in your classroom on how to keep organized, how to keep track of which toys have already been cleaned this month and which toys should still be cleaned this month. And so you can have a checklist, which is a good old tried true method. Otherwise, I'm not a checklist person. I'm actually more visual than that. So I made a map in my classroom, and I knew on Mondays I was going to clean this area of the classroom. I was going to clean dramatic play. So I cleaned all of the toys, and I washed the toys, and I would wipe down the kitchens, and I'd clean up the mirror and that kind of stuff. And then on Tuesdays, I'd do a different part, and Wednesdays, Thursdays, and then Friday was my catch-up day and my laundry day. So I would do all of the laundry that day, my dress-up clothes. Even though I cleaned the space on Monday, I'd do them on Friday because it was my laundry day. Also, the calendar is a great way to assign deadlines to which toys need to be cleaned when. So go ahead and use a calendar if that's kind of close to the checklist that you like, but it has the benefit of a due date. Also, don't forget the kiddos can help, and so you're going to want to have them help you without exposing them to cleaning chemicals or our sanitizer and disinfectant. But if it just is wet wipes, they can clean up after art, they can clean up the room, they can clean their chair after a messy meal. They can help you with some of that stuff too. So with that being said, we'll see you guys next week. Bye.